In this video, AXIE Infinity as well as SLP is currently breaking out from their resistance. But the question is, where are the selling opportunities for these different coins? Stay tuned to know more. So hi guys, and welcome back to another Gabbal cryptocurrency video where we trade by data and not by hype. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, click the subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out daily technical analysis like this. So this one will be a quick update video. So for now, we are just going to talk about AXIE Infinity and SLP. And then siguro mamayang hapon, mag-release tayo ng isa pang follow-up video, which is yung talagang update natin regarding the whole crypto market, especially with Bitcoin and Ethereum, as well as the altcoin market. But for this time, let's talk about AXIE Infinity and SLP. So let's quickly go back with our previous analysis with AXIE Infinity. So 'di ba, sabi natin sa previous analysis, we were actually testing this area multiple times within the 54 or 55 US dollar. And if you're going to break that, then ang magiging target natin for AXIE Infinity is by getting the height of this ascending triangle and then lagay natin sa possible point to break out. And then look at that, guys. We actually played that one out. And then sabi ko din sa inyo, we have to watch out for this 200 MA resistance. And then look at that. It has met our target exactly as predicted. But right now, AXIE Infinity is still going up. So right now, we are going to understand what is next for the AXIE Infinity price action. So to understand what's next for the AXIE Infinity price action, you can say, look at this. We are now actually breaking out. And look at that. We are getting a lot of buy volume. So this could indicate that we might see a possible trend reversal na nga if, let's say, we are able to sustain this movement above the 200 MA. But yeah, let's talk about the resistance areas and take profit areas. So as you can see, if you're going to plot a Fibonacci retracement from the previous high to the lowest low, kasi take a look at this, nag-bottom out na tayo. And then let's try to properly plot this. And then you can actually see na yung previous resistance area natin kung saan tayo nare-resist is actually a Fibonacci resistance area. So if you're going to look at that, we are getting a lot of resistance within those area. So as of the time being, we are actually trying to break the 618. And yung 618 is actually a crucial resistance area if we want to remain bullish. So in order for us to remain bullish dito kay AXIE Infinity, we must hold the following area, which is the 68.7 US dollars. So let's try to add this horizontal line para i-watch out natin siya. So this is now going to act as a support area. And then isa pang support area, let's say around the 64.1 US dollars. So if let's say hindi natin to na-hold itong area na yan, then we might consolidate within the 68 up until the 64 kasi those are the crucial area na we have to watch out right now for the AXIE Infinity if you're going to watch out with itong Fibonacci retracement. Pero looking at this in the daily time frame, let's try to zoom out and then understand the Fibonacci from the previous high to the lowest low. So let's hide this Fibonacci retracement first and then let's try to open a different Fibonacci from the previous all-time high to the lowest low. And then if you're going to look at this, it's actually indicating na ating next resistance for the AXIE Infinity price action is actually within the 74.5 US dollar area. So if you're going to base this from this Fibonacci retracement from the daily time frame from the previous all-time high, our next resistance talaga is actually within the 50-day moving average, which is itong yellow line. So let's try to only show the yellow line and then ayan no, yun yung ating next resistance talaga. So it's possible na dumira-diretso pa rin tayo kay AXIE Infinity up until the 76 provided na magkaroon pa din tayo ng buy volume with this AXIE Infinity price action. So right now, that is what you have to monitor with AXIE Infinity, which is yun nga, magkaroon man lang siya ng buy volume in order for us to sustain that move. And then if you want to enter this, let's try to look at this in the RSI. So if you're going to look at the RSI, I think ang nag-cost ng pump nito is if you're going to look at this, meron tayong declining price. And then look at this, RSI is also increasing. That is an indicator of a bullish trend reversal. So look at that, we saw a movement to the upside. But right now, we have to break this 50-day moving average if we want to continue. And then we must also hold the 200 moving average within the 4-hour time frame. So right now, yun yung ating crucial areas na titingnan dito. And when it comes to re-entry, if let's say you want to re-enter AXIE Infinity, I think ang pinakang magandang area ngayon is around the 68.5 or 69. Actually, 68.5 yung pinaka-okay. Pero yung pinakang optimal talaga, if let's say we want to maximize, is this movement is actually the 20 moving average within the 4-hour time frame, within the 20 moving average within the 4-hour time frame. Kasi let's say pwede siya humabol. Possible na mag-consolidate tayo dyan para makahabol sa ating 4-hour time frame to 20 moving average. That is ang pinakang optimal for me. And right now, I think we might see around the 64.1 if let's say if mag-pull back to, Pero if let's say mag-consolidate to further, tapos humabol yung ating 20 moving average in the 4-hour time frame, then that could be indicating na that is already a decisive movement, if either na we are going to see a breakout to the upside or to the downside if let's say humabol tong 20 moving average in the 4-hour time frame. So that is what we are currently monitoring with the AXIE Infinity price action. And yeah, you have to watch this out. Huwag kayo ma-FOMO. Huwag kayo masyado humabol sa mga pump. Always wait for a pullback or always buy the dip. And take a look at this. If you have been buying the dip dito kay AXIE Infinity, if let's say nag-buy ka around the 54 saka around the $45 following DCA strategy. Lagi ko sa inyo sinasabi na strategy. Then ang mangyari dyan is na take advantage mo una itong pump na yan. So yung pump na yan, kumita ka kagad ng 28%. And then let's say na take advantage mo din itong pump sa gitna. Makita mo ng profit mo din dyan is around 45. And then if let's say nakapag-buy the dip ka rin around the pinakang $45, makita mo ang profit mo dyan is around $55. So tingnan nyo guys, regardless kung anong buying level ka bumili, kahit let's say bumili ka sa 54, 50, or kahit man sa $45 pa, as you can see, regardless, it doesn't matter as long as you are able to buy the dip. Buy lang ng buy using dollar cost average strategy. And the reason why we use this type of strategy is para if let's say, lalo pang bumagsak si AXIE Infinity, meron ka pa pang bili dito sa ating coin na yan. So that is for the AXIE Infinity price action and yun yung strategy na ginagawa natin. And if nakita nyo to, congratulations kasi of course, you actually have made a lot of profits with this latest AXIE Infinity price action. And then now, let's talk about SLP. And let's talk about this breakout dito sa ating 100 moving average in the 4-hour time frame. As you can see, we have started breaking out with buy volume indicating na we are now going to the next resistance with the SLP price actions. So in this case, ano ba yung magiging next resistance ni SLP? So kasi diba if you're going to look back in time, this orange line, the 100 moving average to 4-hour time frame is a crucial resistance kasi dun tayo lagi na-reject. And diba sabi ko sa inyo, we are only going to flip bullish to the next resistance if we are able to break that resistance. And binanggit ko siya specifically dito sa previous video natin na sabi ko nga, that is a selling opportunity at the 100 moving average. That is a good selling opportunity. Sana nakapag-sell kayo nun. And then, di ba sabi ko din sa inyo, the reason why na hindi tayo nag-sell 100% is para if let's say magkaroon tayo bigla ng pump, at least ma-maximize pa din natin yan. At meron pa din tayong SLP na nakahawak para pwede natin siya i-sell. So, di ba sabi ko sa inyo, if meron kang SLP, hatiin mo siya sa tatlo. So, let's say meron kang 100 and then divide mo siya by 3. So, meron kang 33, and then another 33, and then another 33. Yung unang 33, na-sell mo na siya dito. Let's say, nilipat po siya sa Bitcoin. Then, yeah, that is fine. And then, ngayon, yung ating next sa 33% na to, isa-sell natin siya ngayon once na umabot sa next resistance, which is actually the 200 moving average. So, right now, ang next resistance natin dito kay SLP, it's not actually a specific value, but rather, this indicator na you have to follow within the 4-hour time frame, and that is actually the 200 moving average in the 4-hour time frame. So in this case, nasell na natin yung ating first take profit which is ito, yung orange line. And then ngayon, ito na yung ating magiging next take profit area. And then now we are going to take profit, itong $33 once we reach the 200 moving average in the 4-hour time frame. And then from there on, doon natin i-sell yung ating susunod na 33%. And then yung natitirang 33%, if let's say na break ni SLP itong resistance na yan, then at least meron pa tayong naka-hodl. If let's say na break natin yung 200 moving average, ito yung strategy na kaya sinasabi ko na don't always sell everything. Sell partially lang, wag palagi lahat. And then in that case, if let's say, mag-breakout siya, at least meron ka pang nakahold na SLP. Ngayon, when it comes to short-term traders, especially ako, na nag-aabang ng selling opportunity, and we all know na SLP is on a downtrend, ang pinakang good entry opportunity for a shorting position is actually the 200 moving average provided na hindi natin ma-break yung ating resistance na yan. So sa ngayon, ang aking inaabangan for a shorting opportunity kay SLP is ma-reject tayo nitong 200 moving average in the 4-hour time frame. Kasi of course, if na-reject tayo niyan, then doon ako mag-open ng short position kay SLP. And yeah, we can actually take advantage of those. And diba sabi ko sa inyo, umakyat or bumaba man, pwede natin pagkakitaan si SLP. And if let's say bumaba to lalo, pwede pa natin siya lalo pagkakitaan using the shorting opportunity na sinasabi ko sa inyo sa ating mga previous video. And if you want to short SLP, one of the only place na you can actually short SLP is in Bybit. And if you want to claim bonus with Bybit, just use my sign-up code that you can find in the description down below. And just take note guys, if you want to short SLP, if gusto mong kumita kahit bumababa yung SLP, you can do that with Bybit. And you can actually find this in the description down below. So ayun muna update natin for the time being dito kay AXIE Infinity and SLP. If you find this video useful and informative, please give this video a like. And if you want to see more content like this, please subscribe for more. I'll see you in the next video and bye-bye for now.